Hello, this is Daddy and Kyle again. Today we're going to show you Kyle's one of his bit strange Hoovers he's got. He's got a Hoover Junior, but it was built by Jaxvax, and as you can see, it's a load of parts they've stuck together, and the push bars underneath. There it is.
That's not good.
No, that bit there's missing.
That's
Apart from that, but it's generally a Hoover Junior. It's got. It hasn't got the sticker with a number on it. And like you say, it's rebuilt by Jaxvax. And it does pick up quite well, really.
Now?
Yeah, we'll show you. There we go.
What time? Now?
Yeah, you can do it now if you want. It sucked up the Hoover food quite good. I think it's done, mate.
What?
Yeah, that's it. Done. Turn it off. There you go. And there it is. That is a Jaxvax Hoover Junior. Not many people go for them, but generally they are good machines and possibly an ideal machine for parts Hoovers, because Hoover Juniors is like building Lego. You can just take bits off one and fit on them onto another. See you later. Say bye, Kyle.
Bye! I'll go turn it off.
Go then.